My sweet boy. Yeah, it's my favorite iPod model there is, mate. 4th gen classic, although it wasn't called classic at this point, mate. She was just called the iPod. Ignore the HP logo. That's just like an appendix of tech history at this point. You betcha I still use these things. It's like the modern version of a cassette. Like you plug in IEMs into this thing, you just hear hissing and buzzing and things. You can hear it thinking. It's really funny how sensitive modern headphones are. This ain't your average man. Yeah, so it's been flash modded. See, look, 116 gigs. Mate, that's bigger than 40. Mate, this is my favorite series of iPod because in my high school days, like my very last years, just getting my license for the first time, having auxiliary jacks in the cassette player, mate, I had one of these. And I only had one of these because I found it at Cashies. Cashies has been putting tech out of my league into my pockets for decades. It was around the time like the iPod video had been out for a couple of years, so these had finally come down in price. But mate, like, shut up, because that's like your nostalgia, not mine, so it doesn't mean anything to me, mate. I've come here to see a new lad be opened up, mate, so like, just shut up, hey? This thing actually is the crown jewel of my little iPod collection. You know, as I said, this is my most favorite generation, and yeah, it's the most I'd ever dropped on an iPod. Let me tell you, to find a sealed one of these, you know, it was hard work. But you guys helped me afford it, so it's only fair that we open it together. Ooh. I've been waiting for the day to pop this open. I bought this back in like early 2020. Like as soon as the channel took off, I'm like, I need to get this. I can finally have one. Oh, it's untouched, man. 20 gig drive. That was a lot back then. I mean, it even still is a lot of music, especially when it's, you know, MP3s. You ready here first, mate? High resolution backlit screen. Kiss 4K goodbye, man. Imagine if this was the size of a TV. Oh, then I'd be watching something good. Yep. 2004. I think I got mine in 2006 and it was thrashed. That's the only way I could get one. So I've never seen the box for these until I got this. I never ever seen the box, and I had to ship this from way far away. This was not in Australia, and I've always wondered, what did you get? Why is this box so big? It's huge. Isn't it meant to be small? Actually, is it the actual size? Oh, it is. G'day there, mate. Welcome to another episode of Devalue Your Collectibles Immediately. In this episode, it's an iPod, mate. That's all you need is a sharp, pokey thing. Having cats or kids works too, and you just go doink, and it's no longer sealed. All right, it's lost value. I'll see you next time. Oh, cool. You can see where it's been dropped. Yay. Remember when packaging was really elaborate and wasteful? The glue's worn off, so it's just gone. Alright, I think this guy is the nugget in it. This is the side I'm more interested in. Like, what did you get with your nugget? Oh, look how fresh and non-poo stained it is. I mean, talk about wasteful packaging. Look, it's got a cap and a skirt and a sticker and everything. And a tag. Like, why? Why does it need all of this? Yep, Firewire. That's like an ancient nugget connector by today's standards. It was awesome. Like, all the professionals use this stuff because it output like USB 2.0 in a day where, you know, USB wasn't at 2.0. And before USB 2, like, charging over USB was not that common. Like, USB was pretty weak. Firewire actually sends more power than USB. Like, it's the best way to jumpstart old iPods. Gotta have a quick try of these. You betcha. I'm not gonna lose this opportunity. Oh, listen to them. That's straight up children's maraca. But everyone said that these sucked. No one liked these. Hang in there, battery. We'll be okay. Alright, let me just put them back lovingly. I mean, they're not far off the bootlegs that copy these. I mean, I'd blow them up, but it's like, nah, they can just stay in here, it's fine. What's in here? Like, show me the beautiful bookwork and things. Technically, it's more wasteful to have all this stuff, but like, this is a really nice looking manual. Oh, I better get the dock. That better be the reason why this thing's so huge. Yeah, like, this is a pretty legendary manual. Like, it really just lays out how to do it. All the bits, it's all really nicely illustrated. Apple junk's expensive, but then like all the little details are nice. Like giving you stickers. They have not changed a bit. Free music! this is what really sold the iPod, was the fact that it came with iTunes, which was basically like the daddy for selling like music on the internet. Most other nuggets you got to use Music Match or something. Warranty, wham, wham, wham. License agreement, wham, wham, wham. Oh no. Luckily I don't need this. This just has iTunes on it basically. So, oh, well, I guess I better put it in. iPod CD. iPod installer. There, iTunes. They give you... Wait. PowerPC! This is automaking. How do you corrupt a PDF? iTunes 4.7, and it's not gonna let me have it. It's fine. The main event, behind the nugget door. It's beautiful and so heavy because I've forgotten that mine's, full of flash guts, not a hard drive, and I forget how like lightweight this is. They're meant to be really dense. All right, we'll peel the plastic off this guy in a second. Please have a duck. Please have a duck. Please have a duck. No. I mean, yay. Oh, it's Firewire. Oh, that's heaps handy. Oh, cool. This is like the best iPod charger you can get. But it's Americana flavored, and I've already got 3 of these. So I don't really need to do more with that. That's a nice miniature cardboard table. No, Doc? Really? It needs to be this big? The table really is pointless. I feel in the grand scheme of things. All right, let's have my manky scratched up one sitting here, and let's get this new one. My brand new look. Getting frustrated. This is how it what? Oh, I'm just an idiot and very impatient. There we are. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How you have weathered with age and how it's meant to be. That's stainless steel for you. Oh man, there's still more. Yep. Can't get this off with gloves on. So, fine, it stays. Let's put that down. Well, I can't wait to play this game now, which is, it's brand new, but will it work? Just because batteries like dying in their packaging. That's why Bluetooth headphones are pretty annoying. Like, they're going to die. Yes? Yay! For once, this is actually correct. I mean, this screen isn't like a big deal or anything. Like, if you reformat your iPod, which you're gonna do many, many times in its life, you're gonna see this screen. So it's like, wham, big deal. 1.4 gigs magically disappear because that's marketing. I better put something on it. English. Oh, look how clear the screen is. And there's some splotchiness underneath it for some reason.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Auxiliary mode.
Oh. Hey. But will it keep working when I unplug it? Wow! It does! I'm impressed.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh, shut up! Wow. Well, I'm just gonna let this die on its own, really. Just because that's just how I roll. Ooh. No. Oh, are we... No, have we bricked it? No, you can keep playing, but we're not going back anymore? This is genuinely a bug I've not seen. What the heck was that? Well, there you go, people who are having like iPod problems and things. Like, how do I fix it? It's like, I don't know. They're the oldest they've ever been, and even a brand new one would just have like a mini freak out. I'm sure it's because, she's done. I'm gonna put it back in its plastic tomb. Well, it was fun, mate. Nice to have the honor of devaluing you and then still not using you. Well, I lost a lot of value, but I feel completed. Now I know what the whole experience was for my favorite music player. Like, it's this guy, like forever. I've got so many of these spare that for the rest of my days, I'm gonna have spare parts to keep one of these idiots working. And now I know exactly what it was like back in the day to open up. Whew. Anyone get one of these for Christmas in 04 was a lucky duck. Like this one. Well, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Huge thanks to my patrons, especially these stinky names right here, mate, because $1 a month, I do extra videos. I mean, I do have other videos on garbage time, which is my car thing, and the drum thing, which is like my drum thing, mate. But like, you want extra dank pods, hey? Let's keep the devaluation rolling. Let's just keep pounding, mate. A brand new nano. 8 gig, I forget what gen this is. This is past when I was paying any attention to nanos. I had a 2nd gen nano and a 3rd gen nano. And after that, like, I was onto the smartphones. But thanks so much, mate. I'll see you all next time. Frank, we're in a public place. Alright, I caught you. You get back in your box. Don't give me that dumb look. Don't pretend that you're dumb. You get back in your box. Frank, get back in the box. No, I said get back. Oh no, that's it. Yes. Yeah. Frank, listen to me.